What's up, YouTube? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be going to the range to try out my new firearms and calibrate my laser. Came out of the damn house with no keys, so let me go. All right, let's get it. All right, we just got here, guys. Here you go, sir.
Ever shot here before?
Yes, sir. Yeah, but the old range guy was here. That's when I used to come a lot.
Okay. GoPro?
Yes, sir.
You can't use it on a range.
I can't use it. Why is that?
No videos, pictures while using the range.
Are they talking about cell phones?
No, it says no pictures or videos while using the range.
Is but so that goes for all devices.
Pictures or videos.
Oh, I'm asking a question. Does that go for all devices?
Well, that takes a video, right?
If I allow it to, that's correct.
I mean, hold on. I got a man coming out here who will tell you.
Unfortunately, guys, you know, I wasn't supposed to have a camera on the range, but it was a fun time. Good old time at the range. Like I said, I came to have a good time and calibrate my laser, but I finally got it calibrated for those who are curious. It's this one right here, OLIGHT BALDR Pro. It's got 3 screws, one right here on the side, one on the other side, one in the middle. That's how you calibrate it. Alright guys, that was a good day at the range. I got my shit calibrated. We all good to go. Alright guys, I'm about to be home. But I enjoyed making this video with y'all. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe for future videos. And I love all the support from all y'all. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Peace.